Mastering all registers, unlock your vocal range and sing like a pro. Introduction. Having a versatile vocal range is a dream for every aspiring singer. The ability to effortlessly transition between different registers adds depth and expressiveness to your voice. In this article, we will delve into the concept of registers and explore techniques to help you master them, enabling you to sing like a professional. Understanding registers. Registers refer to the different vocal ranges a singer can produce. The most common registers are chest voice, head voice, and falsetto. Chest voice is the lower range, resonating in the chest cavity, while head voice resonates in the head, creating a lighter and higher sound. Falsetto is an airy, breathy register that reaches the highest notes. Exercises for chest voice. To strengthen and expand your chest voice, start with breathing exercises to develop breath support. Practice singing scales and arpeggios in your chest voice, focusing on maintaining a rich and connected tone. Gradually increase the range and complexity of the exercises to challenge yourself and develop control over your chest voice. Developing head voice. To access your head voice, focus on relaxation and proper breath control. Humming exercises are excellent for transitioning smoothly into head voice. Begin with simple hums and gradually extend the range. Move on to vowel exercises, practicing sustained notes in your head voice. This will help you develop a seamless transition between chest and head voice. Exploring falsetto. Falsetto is a register known for its breathiness and lightness. Start by relaxing your throat and vocal cords, allowing your voice to effortlessly float into falsetto. Practice gliding up and down scales, experimenting with different dynamics and tones. With time and practice, you will gain more control over your falsetto range. Blending registers. Once you have developed control over each register, the next step is to blend them together seamlessly. Work on exercises that require transitions between chest voice, head voice, and falsetto. Start with simple melodic patterns and gradually increase the difficulty. Focus on maintaining consistent tone quality throughout the transitions. Refining your technique. Apart from vocal exercises, proper technique plays a crucial role in mastering all registers. Work with a vocal coach or take lessons to refine your technique and receive personalized guidance. Pay attention to your posture, breath support, and articulation. Regular practice and consistent effort are key to improving your vocal range. Conclusion. Mastering all registers is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and practice. By understanding the different registers, practicing exercises for each one, and gradually blending them together, you can unlock your vocal range and sing like a professional. Embrace the process, seek guidance when needed, and enjoy the rewards of a versatile and expressive voice.